Hello everybody, today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look of two charged ultra compact 10,000 mAh power banks. So they come in four designs. We have two in front of us. On the left is the Bulldog design and on the right the Sunflower Mosaic. The two other designs are of the Lamborghini Aventador and Marilyn Monroe. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box of the Sunflower Mosaic one. So this is a very high capacity power bank with a 10,000 mAh power capacity, coming in a very compact shape. And of course, the product specifications or literature on the back of the box. And let's take a quick look around the outside of the box of the Bulldog design model. And it appears to be much the same, if not identical. Okay, and let's go ahead and open up the Sunflower Mosaic one. And let's go ahead and pop off the paper packaging or card packaging and remove all the other contents from the box. Okay, so that's the box emptied out. So the 10,000 mAh power bank comes with a quick guide, so it's nice to see such colorful and wonderful detail in the quick guide or user manual. Okay, so let's go ahead and pop that aside and then take a close-up look at the charging cable. So it's nice to see that the cable has a flat noodle design, and it does have a micro USB to Lightning adapter there. So we can just simply pop that off. So very handy indeed, without having the need to carry a pair of cables. So one cable for all your needs with the Apple Lightning to micro USB adapter right there. And it's nice to see that it's magnetic as well, so it helps with easy storage by looping the cable around your accessories or keychain. Okay, let's go ahead and pop the cable down. As interesting as it is, we need to take a look at the 10,000 mAh power bank. And you can see it has a very nice geometric style pattern or design to it. Very vivid and vibrant indeed with this sunflower mosaic. And let's bring it in for more detail. And just to show you the size of the power bank. So it is a nice and slightly chunky power bank, but definitely the smallest I've ever seen with 10,000 milliampere hour power capacity. So nice shape indeed, very handy, with a soft rubberized texture, or vulcanized. I wouldn't say soft, but it is vulcanized or rubberized texture, so it's good for grip there. And of course we have the connectors in the front with the USB port in the middle, and then the micro USB input charging port on the right. And I would think that this is a power button right there on the left with the LED power reserve status indicator lights right there, 4 of them lighting up brightly, and the camcorder lens seems to be catching a bit of a glow right there. And of course the underside of the power bank. And just for some perspective, I have my Sony Xperia Z3 Compact Android smartphone on the right, so it is still, even though it's about 2 years old, still one of the smallest smartphones that you can get on the market. But I don't think they make them anymore because it's been superseded by the Z5 Compact. But you can see just how small the power bank is, and bearing in mind it is a 10k milliampere hour power bank. And we've never seen something quite this small with such a high power capacity. And of course it's nice to see some artistic touches to very commonly seen power banks. So this is a refreshing change. And let's go ahead and pop open the other box, which is the power bank with the Pitbull, sorry, not Pitbull, but Bulldog design. And let's check out the contents. Okay, so that's the Bulldog, once again, with the very artistic interpretation or design. Let's pop it down and just quickly go through the contents of the box. So we have the same deal, very nice to see again. The flat noodle-like cable with magnetic contacts right there. And of course, the quick guide again. Okay, so of course we can set that down as well. And then now we can have a look at both of these power banks side by side, just so you have an idea of the varying designs with these ultra compact 10k milliampere hour power banks. So same consistent build quality to them. So very eye-catching patterns or designs indeed with these two power banks. And in terms of weight, they definitely have a bit of heft to them. But once again, they are quite small and have very high power capacities. So it only makes sense that they weigh as much as they weigh. It's nice to see the artistic flair with these power banks. Okay, so let's go ahead and plug one of them in to my Sony Xperia Z3 Compact Android smartphone over here, and of course we should pop off the Apple Lightning adapter, given that it's an Android smartphone with a micro USB connector on it. So just like that, you heard the audible tone on my smartphone to indicate that the phone is now charging. And the lights are on the power bank with 4 LEDs showing, so it is fully charged and ready to go out of the box, which is quite nice to see. And let me go ahead and tap on the power button on the power bank. Or press and hold it down, just to see if there's any effect on the charging. Okay, so there is no effect on the charging. It will continue to charge as long as it is plugged into your mobile device. So that's the charged 10,000 mAh ultra compact power banks. Thanks for watching and happy charging!